Ki khalajaj niki unrepresented tribe, kin omyo jaka setia, ban mihkhmat haki district council, rai ka kanhun menteri haka jingalang, kabalalong haka sithoding. Haba pentib ya kene u menteri rangba ka jala, u konrat ke sangma ulethu, baka kanhun menteri kala menjur, ya ka amendment of 6th schedule, kabayade na kamata ban penbun ya ka jingdon ki MDC haki district council. Haka juga por uong, bah KHADC bat GHADC ka jingbun ki MDC kamdai ban long palat ya ka saphongut. Habaya dapat baki village council uong, baki chairman kindehi ki sordar rang ba shnong neki nokma.
So we had a cabinet meeting for the amendment of the 6th schedule and the proposals that have to be sent from the government of Meghalaya. So as you're aware that most of the areas have been sorted out and the issues have been resolved. The last few pending issues were regarding the number of seats in the councils and regarding the formation of the village councils. In the number of seats, the proposal that the government of Meghalaya has given is that Khasi Hills and Garo Hills shall have not more than 40 members, out of which not more than 4 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. And for Jente Hills will have not more than 32 members, out of which not more than 2 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. Then in terms of the village council, the members, the cabinet has proposed that we should, that the village councils will be elected, but the chairman will be an ex officio, will be the Rangbashnong, the Sordar or the Nokma will be the de facto chairman of the village council, and the secretary will be elected, and as per the different provisions, the other members also will be elected. But the chairman of every village council will by de facto be the Rangbashnong or the Sordar or the Nokma as per the, or the head/headman. So these are the 2 recommendations which were the last few pending issues that were left. We have proposed it, and this has been done, of course, after thorough consultation and a discussion with all different stakeholders, including the district councils themselves. And these suggestions have come from the district councils, and accordingly the state government has proposed this to the Government of India, and these proposals will go in the next few days. And I will also be discussing this once I go to Delhi for discussion on the border issue. Apart from that, we'll also discuss, as I said, we have updated the cabinet on the border issue itself, and we will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening at about 4:35 o'clock in Guwahati, and we're hopeful that once that meeting is over, we should be able to come to a final conclusion on these first 6 locations that we are trying to resolve.
So, but the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council...
If you can go through the language that I have proposed, I mentioned to you, it says shall not have more than 40. So if you have 36, 35, 32, that's up to Garo Hills and Khasi Hills, how many that will be there. Of course, there will be a process for doing that. But point is that it will not be more than 40. We have already discussed with the Government of India, MHA also, and that particular clause will not be there.